Hi guys, so if you wanna buy a cheap headphone, wireless one, so I really gonna recommend the Pure Bass Zero cables by GBL. And you see what it says, Pure Bass. That's what they really mean. The bass on this thing is amazing. But let me just start with it. I've been using them for about another pair, not the following one. I've been using another pair for about 1 week so far because I lost my AirPods and I didn't want to spend another £150, so I said let me just go ahead and find a cheaper alternative. And so for a person that been using the AirPods for nearly 4 years now, about 4 years, 3 years, about that anyways. And firstly, when I put those one in my ears, I was really disappointed. I was like skeptical about it. And the first day, I wasn't sure about it at all. But after that, my morning routine is to run 10 kilometers every day. And to be honest with you guys, I'm really impressed with those one now. When I'm driving, I do use them as well. So I've been using them pretty much on daily basis. That's how they come. They have the usual manual stuff in there, but that's not that important. We're more interested onto the headphone. So this is the case. So as you can see, JBL, red for right one and blue for the left one. And here are the two headphones. Earbuds. Here are the two earbuds. Okay. So I'll just put this one on the side. As you can see, they should be a little a red dot for red. So this one goes to the red, and you have a little blue color inside. That's for the left one. And that's it. You go in the middle, you have the indicator for charging. So now the earbuds, they're not flashing, that means they're fully charged, and the case, it has 3 dots, that means it's fully charged as well. The really down sound so far I find about those pairs is to bring them out. It's almost impossible to bring them out. So GBL, if you're watching, please in the future headphone, make sure that it's easy accessible, because at the moment I'm really struggling every time. Like, you see how many try I have to go before I finally succeed. Okay, the left one was much easier. So I guess when you have one of them out, when you have one of them out, it's much easier to bring them out. But yeah, overall, for £49, guys, I think it's a really good pair for its price. And yeah, thumbs up, and I keep you updated on other products as well, guys. Thank you. Take care, guys.